Spyraflo is a business that makes miniature custom bearings. We've been in business since 1961, and our big claim to fame is self-clenching. So over the years, we have acquired tens of thousands of customers, and all of that data we have in SYSPRO CRM. The fact that we can go back and find that data means that we don't have to redesign something for this customer because it's a design we already have. SYSPRO has allowed us to grow both by automation of what happens to our data and our information, and also the ability to keep track of it. So if someone in the organization knows something, they no longer have to write it down or put it in some random folder on your shared drive or notify somebody of it in a company meeting. What happens is all of our data is captured in real time in every single department in the company by SYSPRO. We have the visibility to see what's going on. And in order for you to grow as a company, you have to know what's going on in your own company. SYSPRO allows us to find the things that we don't always know about or even think to look at. There's not a week that goes by that we don't find a new, better way to use something that we already have in SYSPRO and we just weren't yet aware of it or the need for it. You go to different people in the organization and you ask them what's more important to them, and I am relatively sure that every person in each department will give you a different answer. The most important thing to me on a daily basis is my executive dashboard, because it allows me to, at a glance, see what's going on in the organization and did something change today that needs quick attention. We are in the business of making our customers happy and getting them the product that they want, that is quality product, in the time that they want it. And using SYSPRO helps us fulfill those three requirements that we place on ourselves to make sure that our customers are happy and we can grow our business.